Alright, YouTube. Welcome to another episode of Cartoon Cat Builds. And yes, this is also a Battlefield 6 video. So this week we are gonna be putting together the final unlock for the Recon class, which is the PSR. So let's jump right into our builder here. So the PSR is based on the Barrett MRAD Mark 22. So I've basically drawn the parts and I've broken them down. So let's put them together piece by piece. And of course, some parts they don't break down like this. So for example, the magazine well is not supposed to come out like that. In real life, it just comes in one piece like this. But for the sake of modularity, just so I can mix and match different like funny combinations, um, just try out different for more visual variety. I've broken them down like that so I can play with some stuff. So we got the mag catch here. Let's drop the trigger group here. Let's send this to the back. Let's This is gonna be a quick one because there's not much parts to put together, but of course stick to the end because once we're done building like the Battlefield 6 build, we're gonna break it down even more and play with put something crazy together, like modify it to something that probably doesn't belong in Battlefield 6, like something crazy. Okay, so we have the lower receiver here. That's pretty much it. This is the I think the Magpul MOE pistol grip. Let's throw on the folding stock here. Let's line it up like so. There we go. Let's put the recoil pad together and the the adjustment struts, the adjustment bars or whatever that's called. I believe it goes through here. Let's have it centered to this shape, something like that. So yeah. Wait, I think I'm left out the part. It's probably like the part that you press on to adjust this, like a quick lever to adjust this length of pull that goes like this. And of course the adjustable cheek rest, put it here. The adjustable knob. Oh yep, this goes to the back here. And yep, that's our PSR lower receiver. Wait, let's nudge this up a bit so that it lines up with the yes. Okay, so we have the lower receiver, and let's put the upper together. So we have the upper here. Let's line this up together. Okay, and let's take the rail sections, put one on the front here, one on the 6 o'clock position. Let's make sure they're both lined up together like this. We'll put in the mag later. We have the barrel, and we have a few magazines, like longer ones. I don't think this exists in real life because I think the standards come in like this length. I don't think they make extended magazines for like bolt action sniper rifles like this. Like I would make a couple that's like a lot longer, but yeah, that is when I have extra time to draw more parts. So let's put the barrel in like this. In it goes. Yeah, I think it goes. Oh, it's coming out the bag now. Okay. So it lines up thereabouts. And of course, like these two are the, like they probably like fix the barrel or something. So let's take these parts out again, and let's put in the like the heart, the beating heart of this system. No, where's that? Oh yes, yeah, yes, the bolt. All right, so here's the bolt. Wait, let's see if it lines up. Okay, we have the bolt carrier. Somewhere beneath that is like the trigger, the firing pin, and the bolt handle, the sleeve. I think the firing pin spring is misaligned, so let's try to nudge it back into position. Oh wait. Let's nudge this. Alright. Okay, that looks more... Probably looks more like it. Probably send it more to the back. Yep. Alright, so we have the bolt handle, the bolt carrier, the bolt head, firing pin, all in this with this sleeve, I believe, like low friction sleeve, so that it goes in like this. Wait, I think I'll have to like send this bolt handle to the front so that it's outside the upper receiver when we like kind of like slide it in like that. Okay, so we got it, and there we have it. The bolt is locked, and let's what do you call it, like make the two, the upper and lower receivers together. So yep, let's send this to the back, and yep, so oh wait, it's still missing the top rail. Okay, so I've drawn this top rail from Barrett's reference material, like the images and manuals and stuff. But one thing I realized in Battlefield 6 is that I believe the top rail section is actually level with the entire length of the rifle. So I've drawn that as well. So let's get rid of this, and let's put this on instead. So we have like a level. I believe in the game it's a bit taller, like somewhere here, I think. But yeah, for this I've decided to like have the rail as tall as like this front section here. You can see the comparison. So the original has this slight slope to it. That's because usually for like long range rifles, you need some extra compensation for the kind of distances these rifles shoot and how you want to sight in your scope. So usually like long range rifles they come with like slope rails. And usually they have like specific slope to it, like 20 MOA, 30 MOA. So it depends. Like the further the gun they expect the gun to shoot, the more slope that the top rail will have, so that you don't need like a specialized scope mount to compensate for the drop of the bullet to shoot actually that far. So we'll put this aside, or we'll just get rid of this slope rail altogether. And so yeah, there we have it. Let's put this magazine inside. Oh, yeah, I think I'll need to send this to the back. And yep, we have the magazine. And yeah, there we have it. This is the PSR, the PSR from Battlefield 6. Like in real life, it's called the Barrett MRAD MK22 PSR precision sniper rifle. I think, yeah. And for my next trick, I will be like breaking this down and turn this into a something interesting, something crazy. So let's start breaking this down for our second build. So you may have seen like the longer magazine here. So first things first, we're gonna take the original capacity magazine, take it out. We're just gonna throw it, delete it. We're not gonna be needing these two because we'll be needing so many extra rounds. So we're gonna be putting like this high capacity magazine first. So we'll put this extended magazine, and then we're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna get rid of the folding stock because we're gonna be building a short range build. Yes, a short range bolt action PSR. So let's let's keep breaking this down and see where it goes. And next we're gonna be like cutting down this this handguard, this front section. So we're gonna go into this shape and we're gonna cut this up. So let's go in here. We're gonna see how much to cut short, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. We're just gonna leave like 2 rail sections here. So everything that's to the front here, we're just gonna like highlight and delete. And we're just gonna highlight these shapes here as well and delete. We're just gonna go in here and delete these slots, and we're gonna like shorten this part of the gun. So like these slots for accessories, it's M-lock, and they have a fixed spacing interval, so we can like shorten this by those specific intervals. So I'm just gonna shorten them section by section. So that's 1 slot, 2 3 4 5 slots. So we have a much shorter upper receiver and handguard here already. And so we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna like move these rail sections to the back by 1 2 3 4 and 5 slots. And I mean 5 M-lock slot intervals. And we're gonna do the same. We'll be like cutting down all these slots on the top rail, shorten everything, and then we're gonna move like the front end all the way to the front there. So let's jump into this shape and let's do some cleaning up. So let's clean up these shapes. Let's delete some of the outlines here. Let's draw this shape so that we can like cut this shape up. Let's cut this shape up. Let's line up the lines, and then we move the front closer to this side. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots. So there we have it. We have a shorter top rail, a shorter handguard, and just generally a shorter gun. So let's see how the whole thing looks for the moment. So far so good. It looks nice, but oh my. Okay, we'll still need like to shorten the barrel. So let's do the same. Let's move it up by 5 M-lock slots. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should we shorten it even more? Probably yes. So 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that's I think that's okay. Let's clean up some of the lines on the barrel here. So since we have such a short and stout barrel, we won't need these like fluting cuts. So let's get rid of that. And yeah, okay, so we have a teeny tiny short barrel. And let's change up the slot here. So because this is much shorter with a high capacity magazine and stockless build, this needs to be able to like shoot fast. So let's kind of change this into like a straight, like instead of a bolt action, like a straight pull kind of thing. So let's adjust the cutout on this, on the upper receiver here. Let's move it so that all the cutouts, like all of the cutouts, like the cutout for the bolt over here, let's make it so that there's only, it only goes back like straight, just like that. Alright, and let's just not bother with this 90 degree here, and just make it like centrally a straight pull here. So let's send these shapes back. Let's send this all the way to the back, and then let's adjust what's on this bolt handle by a little bit. And since that we're turning this into a straight pull bolt kind of thing, we'll just like move this whole thing up here, and like let's just cut away the upper part of the bolt handle here. So we're just left with a much simpler bolt handle, because now that we don't actually need like a 30 degree or 45 degree, 60 degree bolt throw, you can just like pull it straight back. And yeah, so I guess that's it. So there we have it. Like a crazy cut down straight pull version of the PSR Yeah, like CQB, optimized for CQB. Ex Straight pull pistol, cause this one doesn't have a stock. Extended magazine, super short barrel, straight pull bolt, and still offers rails on the side and at the bottom as well. So yeah, this is your CQB PSR build, and one that's not, hopefully not coming to a battlefield near you. So yeah, um, hope you guys enjoy these two builds based on the PSR, and of course thank you all for um, checking this out. And if you guys want to see more of this, feel free to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of guns you'd like to see in future episodes. Doesn't have to be just Battlefield. I'm looking into like other games and guns as well. But I'm currently like drawing some stuff from Battlefield 6, and of course the list of like things for that I want to draw just keeps getting longer and longer, and I only have so much time. So thank you guys for sticking around, and thank you to these amazing people, because they are supporters of Patreon, on Patreon. So they support Pew Doodles, which are all these gun drawings I make. And I've been drawing guns for I think 15 years. So yeah, it's something I really love doing. And if you want to like try it yourself and put some of these crazy builds together on your own, I have a little website for that as well. It's pewdoodles.com. That's pewdoodles.com. Right now it has stock Glock parts, Colt parts, and a bunch of AK parts. So yeah, you can like throw some crazy builds together on that website. And yeah, once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. So yep, I'm just gonna tune up and see ya.